Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best robot kits in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Sillbird STEM 12-in-1 Education Solar Robot Toys for Kids. Sillbird is known for making programmable robots for kids. The Sillbird STEM, a very versatile 12-in-1 STEM educational robot toy that needs no batteries but just the solar energy to work on. Also, on the bonus side, it is one of the most budget-friendly robot toy kits on our list. Out of the 12 available models it can make out of the 190 building blocks, all of them are into 2 levels of complexity. These include turtle, walker, bird, surfer, buggy, rolly-poly, puppy and zombie, etc. A few are in the entry level for younger kids, whereas the remaining area is on the second level of higher complexity, which will challenge your kids' critical thinking skills. Number 2. Our second best pick is Really RAD Robot for Kids. From the house of Really RAD Robots, the Turbo RAD Robot is a remote-controlled electronic-built robot toy that also works with voice commands too. It comes pre-built and is not exactly one of those robots for kids to build. Built for racing, speed, tricks and fun, the Turbo RAD bot comes with a remote control that has a turbo boost switch. You can race him up, down, front or back depending on the surface you have. The voice command functions can make the Turbo robot spin, explore or dance. If Turbo encounters any obstacle, it will avoid it in an intelligent fashion. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sakai RC Robot for Kids. Next on our list is Sakai, a remote-controlled robot for kids. This programmable robot comes with an infrared controller that makes the robot dance, sing and much more. It is not one of those build-your-own robots for kids, but is actually a toy. A brilliant gift for kids of the age group 4 or above, it can easily be a best friend for your kid. With the intelligent remote control, you can make the robot move or sing or dance. Apart from the remote, you can also control the robot with hand gestures as well. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is LEGO Boost Creative Toolbox 17101 Fun Robot for Kids. Legos that move and do tricks. Kids love robots and they love Legos. From the official house of Legos, the Boost Creative Toolbox 17101 is a fun Lego set where your kid can build their own robot out of Lego bricks. You too can build robots for kids using Legos. Acting as a STEM educational toy that fosters their curiosity, it not only adds fun but also teaches them to program too. You can download the app to control and code this via the iOS App Store or Android Play Store. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Top Race Robot for Kids. A robot toy much like the Sakai robot mentioned above, this is one of those remote control robots for kids which can race, run, walk and mimic talking. It comes with a remote control with which you can make the robot perform various functions. A great gift for Christmas, birthdays or any other occasion for kids, this new robot for kids is smart and intelligent. It has fun-filled LED lights that come up when the robot is moving. It also has music and can recite and read about 10 different stories to kids. It can also sing about 10 songs. Apart from all of this, the recorder inside the robot will also help in mimicking others' voices as well. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.